I can't believe we lost her again.
Mr. Krabs knows hair clippers. I could use these.
Squidward, you shouldn't be going through Mr. Krabs' belongings. He won't like it.
All right. SpongeBob, can I get one with less fog?
Sorry, Squidward. Mr. Krabs' orders.
Whatever. Here you are, sir. One patty patty.
Excuse me, did you just mention Glove World?
Yeah, Glove World. They're gonna close it. Tomorrow. Forever.
Close Glove World?
Take the world gone!
You and you sold him out. You should be.
Huh? That's a Krabby Patty. Yeah, it's cold and hard. This could have rolled under there years ago. There, little one. Your journey is almost over.
Then the rumors are true. You are gonna close Glove World.
How delightful.
Squidward, I'm worried about Mr. Krabs.
Me too. How are we gonna get paid?
I sure scared you, Mom.
Oh, look at this. Look how cute he is. Oh, he's strong. Like his dad.
Whoa, excuse me, hot stuff coming through. Excuse me, up one side, Harry.
Why, Hermes, they're lovely.
Yeah, you know, I had Orpheus do the arrangement. Isn't that too nutty? Fabulous party. You know, I haven't seen this much love in a room since Narcissus discovered himself.
Come on, they're no fun. Want to see me be a leopard?
Why don't you just come up with your own sound?
Oops.
What about our gift, dear?
Well, let's see here. We'll take, yes, a little Cirrus, and, a touch of Nimble Stratus, and a dash of Cumulus. His name is Pegasus, and he's all yours, son.
No problem, Pop.
Mind his head?
He's so tiny.
I don't understand. If you're my father, that would make me a
god.
A god. A god?
In a faraway land, long ago, lived a king and his fair queen. Many years had they longed for a child, and finally their wish was granted. A daughter was born, and they called her Aurora.
Sweet Aurora.
Yes, they named her after the dawn, for she filled their lives with sunshine. Then a great holiday was proclaimed throughout the kingdom, so that all of high or low estate might pay homage to the infant princess. And our story begins on that most joyful day.
On that joyful day, on that joyful day.
I'll find Philoctetes, become a true hero.
That's the spirit.
I won't let you down, Father.
Hey, let's see now. Oh, who could the lucky merman be?